for amazing facts about the mysteries of bird migration. Bird migration is nature's grand spectacle. Thousands of birds perform this yearly dance, traversing continents with precision. From the Arctic terns, world champions of migration, covering 25,000 miles annually, to the tiny hummingbirds, with their unmatched endurance, crossing Gulf of Mexico in one flight. Consider the bar-tailed godwit, making a non-stop 7,000 miles journey. Astonishingly, they navigate using Earth's magnetic field. And let's not forget the magnificent swallow-tailed kite, migrating from Florida to South America, covering 5,000 miles. These avian marvels remind us of nature's stunning complexity.